What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to talk about how the Bitcoin price right now could be pushing lower all the way down to 58,000 US dollars. I want to talk about that in this video today. I also want to talk about my Bitcoin short position, which is now 35,000 US dollars in a profit. Yes, it's over a $1 million trade right there. And I've also set up some orders, some limit orders over on Ubit right now. So if you want to catch exactly what limit orders I'm setting in today's video, then go ahead and stay tuned. Also, I want to talk about the US stock market, CZ, and also historical Bitcoin returns. As always, guys, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. All right, guys, welcome back to another video, and thank you for joining me once again. As always, a massive special thank you to each and every one of you watching at home. It truly does mean the world to me. And to give back, I'm giving away $100 every single Monday. Drop your comments down below on today's video and slap that like button if you do appreciate my content, and I'll give away some more money next week. As always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy called Jack in his room making videos about his journey in crypto. If you're from the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch or engage with my content. Let's get into that said content right now, because as we can see right here, guys, on the hourly chart, the Bitcoin price is slowly starting to break down. Yes, we have had somewhat of a lower high right here. We can see exactly there, a lower high right there. Now we have also experienced a higher low right there. If this low is going to come further down, then potentially that would be eroded. But again, if we take a look at the hourly chart, not the 4-hourly chart, it looks like we have in fact had a lower low right there. We can see like so. And in fact, we have had lower highs right there, which definitely is a little bit on the bearish side on the short term. One thing we do have to keep in mind though, guys, is the weekly chart, because just yesterday we did in fact have that weekly close from a very, very big important candlestick, because this weekly close right here, which we had 2 days ago, it signifies or signals that we did in fact have a bearish close. Not only was it a candlestick lower than the previous candles right there, but also it was a candle wick. So that rhymes. It was a candle wick and a candlestick lower than the previous prices. In my opinion, guys, in my humble opinion, and yes, I'm not always right. If I am wrong, then I'll be the first to admit it. I really do think we are going lower for the Bitcoin price. And as you know, you see me put my money exactly where my mouth is with this $1 million short position right here, 35,000 US dollars in a profit. I really think we are going to go lower. And if we take a zoom out, guys, I think we're going exactly into this golden pocket, exactly like we did last cycle. We can see right there, we had this push towards the upside above the 0.382 Fibonacci, and then we got rejected straight through the 0.5 right here, exactly like we did here, guys. The rejection right there, straight through the 0.5 right there, and now coming all the way down to my big price target right here in the short term of approximately 56,000 US dollars. I think that's where Bitcoin's going. I think it's going to go there probably sooner rather than later. And we will talk about where I think it's going later in today's video. 2 laters right there. But I really do think this is going to play out. And that's exactly why I have in fact entered once again. A couple of days ago, I believe 2 days ago, I entered this trade. It's now currently around 35,000 US dollars in a profit. It was a little bit more earlier when the price was a little bit lower. However, this is what's going on. I'm staying in my trade. I do have a stop loss set here at about 64,000. I will probably change this as I set this right after I enter the trade, just to protect myself if Bitcoin did go higher. And I do also have some open orders right here. First of all, let's talk about my short open order. This is at 67,250. The reason why I set this short order, it's around a 8 Bitcoin trade. So quite a large trade right there. And it's at a 6x leverage right there. A short position I would enter at 67,250. So let's see exactly why I chose 67,250. And we can see on this chart right here, it's simply because I want to potentially get a better entry price. And if I can get an entry price right here in this range, somewhere in that range for a short position, that would be amazing. Again, if I do get this entry price in this range right there, I'll be very, very happy. I would in fact put a very tight stop loss right here, just in case it does wick up, retest, and then continue. I don't want to be in the trade if it is going towards the upside right there. But again, even if this trade right here, which I'm in, gets stopped out, I will enter a trade up here. And again, I'll put tight stop loss in case it does. So that is my game plan for the short side. For the long side, I am starting to build my positions lower for lower entry points, guys, for a multi-million-dollar trade right here for the Bitcoin price in the bull market. When we do see this bear market finally finish and go into a bull market, I am starting to build. I've put 16 Bitcoin right there on a 3x leverage right there, and my entry price right here is approximately 40, or will be my limit price, sorry, 46,000 US dollars. As I've told you many times in the past before, guys, I am in fact starting to build my positions right there, and the exact point where I'm building them I'll show you right now on the weekly chart, because it coincides exactly with what I've been saying for months now on the channel. My bear market price target for Bitcoin is approximately $46,000 to $50,000, potentially going a little bit lower. Worst case scenario being around this $40,000 level, exactly like we did back here. We touched this level right here, the 0.786 Fibonacci, and again we could potentially touch that level right there. Of course, it's all things world and political and war related. This could change. Of course, it's such a dynamic market. The markets are so dynamic these days, so this could easily change, but that's exactly why I've set that limit order right there. If you guys wanted to go ahead and join Ubit, is one of my favorite exchanges. I'm pretty much only trading on there right now. You can go ahead down below, and there's actually no KYC as of right now, so that's amazing. And you can deposit $100 and get $1,000 trade voucher as well, and there is a tutorial down there below, so I really encourage you to check that out if you were interested. And we can see right here you can unlock up to $50,000 worth of bonuses right there, but this free position voucher, which I was talking about, $1,000 position voucher, can be unlocked with a $100 deposit using my link down below in today's video. So as we can see, I tweeted this earlier today, the US stock market has lost more than 12 trillion. That would be absolutely crazy. More than 2 trillion in the market since literally yesterday. We had a good strong open at the start of the week, and things were looking very bullish. The Bitcoin price even ticked up a little bit. Now things are seeming bearish. I know, complete flip in just a day, most likely due to the conflict. And I believe a US helicopter was shot down on the Strait of Hormuz, and US or Trump said he's got the right to retaliate. The markets don't like that, of course, and we are seeing a massive wide-scale dump. Of course, CZ tweeted on Twitter right now a few hours ago saying that Bitcoin won't be dead for too long. Don't panic, in large friendly letters. Of course, as you've all known, if it's your first time in crypto, don't worry, the times always will get better. I've been in crypto since around 2017, and it's definitely been a wild ride for sure. I've had many cycles. When Bitcoin first hit 20K, that was absolutely magical. Then it hit 70K, went back down to around these areas down here, 15K. It was crazy. I sold my Ferrari right here, put money into Bitcoin, and then rode it all the way up right here. So I definitely know a thing or two about crypto, and yeah, not the smartest crypto trader or crypto investor out there, of course. However, I try to do the best that I can. I want to talk about this right here as well, because everyone is calling for a crypto breakdown. And if we look historically, guys, we can see that usually the month of June is actually bearish right here. Historically, Bitcoin prints a bullish month in July. However, in midterm years, June is usually very, very bearish in midterm years. So we can see right here, 2026, usually midterm, negative 37%, 2018 midterm, negative 15%, 2014, plus 2%, but not really too interesting right there. But then going into July, we had a plus 16%, plus 21%, and again, a minus 10%. So take what you will from these statistics. I think there's going to be more choppy and sideways action this month. I don't think we're just going to dump down to this 40,000 worst case price target down there. I think we are going to see a little bit of sideways action before continuing down to my short-term price target of 56,000 US dollars. That's why I'm keeping my trade open. I'm not changing it. That's basically why. If you did want to go ahead and get alerts on my trades, guys, I do have a Chart Chasers alerts group. All the information about what trades I'm taking and everything, and my analysts as well. You can go ahead and get the trade alerts right there completely for free in the Chart Chasers group down below in today's video description. and you can see all the price analysis and the trades that I'm making right there. So really go down below, click the link, join the Telegram group completely for free, join around 1,200 other people making that benefit right there. That's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Again, don't forget to join Ubit and get that $3,000 position voucher. The Bitcoin price, it's looking pretty interesting. Not really a lot is happening, to be honest. However, I do want to try and pump these videos out. It looks like we could see a small tick to the upside, even potentially worst case push up to 64K. However, I think long term, of course I'm bullish, but short to midterm we are bearish right now. And if we just take a look at the weekly candlestick close right there for this chart right here, you can start to see that the previous weekly close, which we just had now, is definitely signifying, in my opinion, that we are going to continue towards the downside. So thanks for watching, guys. As always, it's not financial advice. And if you're in the UK, USA, or UAE, please do not watch or engage in my content. I'll catch you in the next one.